Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up ASUS RT-BE88U Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 AiMesh router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the ASUS RT-BE88U Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 AiMesh router is a high-performance wireless router designed to provide very fast and stable internet for homes. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the router box. The ASUS RT-BE88U Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 AiMesh router box usually includes the router unit, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable for connecting the router to your modem or computer. You will also find a quick start guide and warranty information to help you set up and use the device easily. Now take the ASUS RT-BE88U router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable from the box. Connect your modem/ISP cable to the router's WAN internet port. Plug the power adapter into the router. Turn on the router and wait 2 to 3 minutes until the LED lights stabilize. Now connect your computer or phone to the router. You can connect in two ways. Option 1 is Wi-Fi connection. Look for the default Wi-Fi network name printed on the router label. Connect to the ASUS default Wi-Fi network. Option 2 is Ethernet connection. Connect your computer to the router using an Ethernet cable. Open any browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar type http://router.asus.com. You can also try 192.168.50.1. Press Enter. This will open the ASUS Quick Internet Setup page. When the setup page opens, click Create a new network. The router will auto-detect your connection type, e.g., PPPoE, Dynamic IP, etc. If it's PPPoE, enter your ISP-provided username and password. If it's Dynamic IP, most common, it will proceed automatically. Enter your new Wi-Fi name, SSID. This is what devices will see. Set a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Click Apply or Next. The router will reboot and save all settings. After reboot, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password you just set. You can now browse the internet. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.